So hello everyone, today I am going to present my exercise therapy presentation presented by me Rohan Rajiguru. So my today's topic is about the glossopharyngeal exercise. So what are the contents we know about the exercise therapy, rehabilitation of glossopharyngeal nerve functions and importance in swallowing and speech. So let's start. So introduction of the glossopharyngeal nerve. Glossopharyngeal nerve is the ninth nerve, we can say about that. And the glossopharyngeal nerve is the ninth cranial nerve. It is a mixed nerve with sensory and motor functions, helps in swallowing and taste sensation, supplies muscles of the pharynx throat, participates in the gag reflex. Functions are like taste from posterior one third of the tongue, swallowing resistance, and sensory function of the throat and pharynx. We can see here the what is the glossopharyngeal nerve. So need of the glossopharyngeal exercise. So conditions requiring therapy: dysphagia, difficulty in swallowing, stroke rehabilitation, neurological disorders, cranial nerve injuries, post-surgical recovery. Benefits is like improves swallowing efficiency, enhances the throat muscle coordination, reduces the risk of aspiration, and supports speech and communication. Tongue stretching exercise. So exercise number one is tongue resistance training. Procedure is like a press the tongue firmly against the roof of the mouth. Hold for the 5 to 10 seconds. Relax and repeat. So benefits of it: strengthens the tongue muscles, improves the swallowing control, enhances the oral motor functions. So repetitions is like 10 repetition in 2 to 3 sessions daily. We can see here the procedure: start, move the tongue to the right, then move the tongue to the upper lips, then move the tongue to the left, then move the tongue to the lower lips, then move the tongue to the middle of the lower lips, and then to the move the tongue to the upper lips again, and repeat it 10 repetitions and 2 to 3 sessions daily. So now swallowing exercises. So what is the swallowing exercise? It's effortful swallow exercise. Its procedure is like swallow with while squeezing the throat muscles slightly. We can say that. Focus on strong tongue and throat movement, and its benefits is like improves the muscle activity during swallowing, increases the pharyngeal strength, help clear food effectively, and repetition is like 5 to 10 swallows per one session. Gag reflex and throat exercises. Exercise number three is pharyngeal simulation. Procedure is like perform under the professional supervision. We can't do alone. It's gentle stimulation of the throat area, used to improve the sensory awareness, and its benefits are the enhances the gag reflex responses, improves the swallowing safety, increases the sensory feedbacks. Clinical applications used in rehabilitation centers, medical conditions like stroke, Parkinson's disease, brain injury, cranial nerve dysfunction, dysphagia. Outcomes are like better swallowing function, improved nutrition and hydration, reduce the choking risk, enhance the quality of life. So conclusion: glossopharyngeal exercise helps improve swallowing in the throat muscle function. They are useful in neurological and swallowing disorders. Common exercises including tongue strengthening and effortful swallowing. Regular practice improves the safety and effectiveness of the swallowing. This exercise plays an important role in the rehabilitation and patient care. Thank you.